Ubus na nga.
Of course, I was tall, I was aggressive. So,
Wala na.
Marami nagsabi na, ayaw,
Wala na. Ubus na.
Sa isip ko, okay, let me do modeling.
Wala na. Charis.
So,
Hawakan mo.
bumalik
Ikaw
ako
magsubo.
agad. After 3 months, which I now in the hindsight was
Sabay tago.
Kasi bumalik ako.
Sabay tago.
2009. And then that's when I declared
Ay, tayo ulit.
So, ngayon ako.
Wala na ha. Ubus na. Takaw mo
Mga
talaga.
videos ngayon. Parang I feel like everything was
Hindi ka pa busog?
parang,
Wala na, nalaglag na.
parang,
Hindi ka pa busog, bebe? Eto na.
I was saying, kasi tinatanong nila,
Hindi ka pa
"What
busog?
kind of a lady
Hindi
are
pa?
you?
Hindi pa?
Can you describe
Kawawa
yourself
naman
in
ang
3
birlog
words as
na
a
yan.
woman?" Ganyan.
Ayaw
And then, what is a
mabusog.
woman? So, what do I know? It was just really 3 months, diba?
Hindi pa busog?
So, everything I was
Hindi
saying
pa?
then was aspirational.
Sabi mo kay mama,
But
hindi
it's
pa.
in my head.
Busog ka na daw ba? Hindi pa.
Then
Hindi
after that,
pa.
bumalik ako ulit sa face ng 20.
Ang iling mo ah.